So we're gonna go for her.
Okay. Got 175 in. Turn up the volume so you can hear that. And here we go. Maybe we can get this a little quicker than the other one. Alright. Down to 46.91. Nope. Oh, come on, give me one. Nope. 1950. Oh, just go on by. You know you're going to come up anyway. What'd I tell you? $9 though for that. Just imagine. Oh, second one went by. Wouldn't matter though. Oh, maybe that'll hit it. That's $1.50 a line. We haven't had much to celebrate, so we're just going to let it go. At 47.48 if it hits. Yeah, didn't think so. Alright, we're back up to over 100. Ooh, 60 cents. Oh. That should be $30 right there. We're going to let it just piddle along until it stops spinning. We're at 47.66 now. Still waiting for both. We're back up to $125. Oh. 750, 3 different ways. This might hit it. If not, it's going to push it over 48. That guy could have been down. It would have been a big win. Alright, we're going to hit the button. It's at 47. Nothing. Well, I'm back up to my 170 mark, so we're still high. Nope, not gonna count. Oh my god, 5. Nope. 4. Alright, okay, I called it. It's gonna be, remember, treasure chest? Dog shit. There's my line. 48. Come on. Yo-ho your way to a big win. Nope, that's not going to do it. Ahoy. Re-trigger? Nope. Come on, Wild. Oh, there's my skull. Re-trigger? Work? Oh, no. Oh. $65. Well, we're up. There's the Wild. 72.15. Alright, let's watch this go here. See if it goes. Remember. Should I hit the button? You know I want to hit the button. I'm not going to though, but I want to hit the button. of them or none? Right, here it comes. 48.51. Oh, that hurts. That hurts. We are at 48.51 and come up again. Nope. Skulls again. 3. This one might be coming. I'm gonna close my eyes. Close my eyes. There it went. It went. It went by. Alright, $18 left in the old bank here. Oh, look at the skulls. Look at the skulls. 3 pushes. Now we gotta do something. 49.10. Last push. Alright. We'll be back. We gotta get it. We got it. We can't. I took the bait. Nice. I need it. I need it. This is gonna be too fast. Oh, I got it. Oh my god. Holy shit. Look at that. 49.12. This bonus bear, give me at least 100. Off to a terror start. It might be just a $6 bonus. Oh my god, those skulls. Treasure chest? Come on, come on, come on. Seriously. Oh, they were there. Oh my god, were they there? Oh my. Where was it? Well, that should take care of the miner. Get it? If it doesn't go this time, I might lose my mind. 140 should bring it. Hey, look at both. It's gotta pay. It's gonna be over 50. Oh, maybe not. Maybe not. Oh no. There we go. There we go.
Progressive awarded.
49.95. Look at that. So, to conclude, I think we started 175, 275. We ended up with $23 going for that. So we'll do a few extra pushes here, just because I'm weird. And we'll see if yeah, right. There it goes. I thought maybe we had something going there, ladies. Nope. Okay, we're ending there. Alright. Not bad. We got it. Booyah.